I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating system and apps so background fixes apply immediately. Open settings and install any pending updates. Next, inspect the charger and cable for frays and test another wall adapter to rule out hardware. Once done, check battery health and note the % drain per hour in settings or a monitoring app, because you'll compare before and after changes. Make sure to enable the built-in battery saver, now so initial tests show realistic improvements and reduce noise from non-essential services. You now target software. Open battery usage to identify top consumers and force stop or uninstall apps you rarely use, then restrict their background activity. Adjust sync intervals, turn off high-accuracy location when not needed, lower screen brightness and timeout, and disable always-on display if present. Once done, enable optimized charging and clear app caches for flagged apps to remove corrupted data causing wake locks. Make sure to switch heavy apps to manual refresh and test battery behavior over a few charge cycles to validate. You finish by verifying results and preparing for deeper fixes. Reboot into safe mode to check if third-party apps cause the drain, and if the phone still drains fast, back up data and perform a factory reset to eliminate software corruption. Once done, check battery health. If capacity is below 80% or physical swelling is present, replace the battery through an authorized service center. If problems persist, collect battery and usage logs and contact Vivo support. This troubleshooting tip saves time when professional repair is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.